Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily reduce the size of any Excel files using Microsoft Excel in Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you. Here is a sample of Excel files. So we'll show you the size of this Excel file. You can see it's 6.64 MB. That is the size of this Excel files. So it is Excel file. You can see here it's an Excel file. So how you can reduce any Excel files, that is the size of the Excel files using the Microsoft Excel. So I will open this Excel file using the Microsoft Excel. So you can see here is a sample. So what you need to do next is, it's very simple. You can see here file, just click on here and you can see here save as, just click on it and you can choose any folder. I'm choosing a desktop, so it will be shown this kind of window. So now what you need to do next is just click on this Excel 97 workbook or whatever it ran. Just click on this. Now here what you need to do is, you can see here Excel binary workbook. Just select this option and now click on save, and that's it. Now we'll check the size of this Excel file. Just close this window and you can see here one more Excel file has been created. So let's check the size of this Excel file. Now you can see it decreased a lot. A lot of size has been decreased. That is, you can see 1.62 MB. That is the Excel file. So when you open it, you will see everything inside it. Just the size has been decreased. So don't worry, nothing has been eliminated from your Excel file. Everything has been there as it is, just the file size has been reduced. So let me show you the original one. As you can see, the original one is of 6.64 MB and the converted one, that is which I have saved with the binary worksheet, as you can see it's almost reduced 90%. That is, you can see 1.62 MB. So in this way you can easily reduce the size of any Excel files using the Microsoft Excel very easily. So sometimes what happens if your Excel work documents is of a big size of 50 MB or anything like that, and you want to send that file to your friends or some of your colleagues, then it becomes very difficult to upload such a big file. So you can compress such big files using these cool tricks. So try it out by yourself and it will be very useful in day-to-day life uses if you're working with the Excel files, and you can easily reduce the size of any Excel files using the Microsoft Excel. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.